Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to see how to convert your contact pair to tie contact or vice versa easily using HyperMesh. So firstly there are like bunch of contacts here. I'm using abaqus, or if you use any other solver also, like there will be a tie contact also, and sometimes we need to convert contact pair to tie contact. So how to do this? So if I want to convert this to a tie pair, what I can do here is I can just see this 14 and 13 are surface ID of master and slave. I just go here and select tie, and this will be gone, and I need to again select this 14 and this 13. But if I want to, has been converted to tie pair. But if I want to uh, convert many contacts to tie pair, how can I able to do it? So there is a very easy way. Just go to this contact browser. You can go to model here, and you can go to this contact browser, and here you will have like bunch of contacts. And suppose these three contacts I need to convert it into tie pair. I can just go to right click and convert swap TP to tie. So this has converted to tie. And suppose this tie I need to convert back into contact pair, I can just go on to right click and swap contact to tie. So this is how you can do it in newer HyperMesh. For older HyperMesh, the same the same INP I have opened in the older HyperMesh, and in this way, in this groups also I need to convert this contact pair to tie. So I will go to view here, contact browser, and this browser will open, and then whatever pairs I need to convert, I will just choose those pairs, and I will just go on to right click and swap contact pair to tie. So this is how you can convert to contact pair to tie and tie to contact pair easily using HyperMesh. So that's how you can able to do it for a bunch of pairs. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.